बेटा जी, ओ बेटा जी, अरे ओ बाबूजी, किस्मत की हवा कभी नरम कभी गरम, कभी नरम नरम कभी गरम गरम, कभी नरम गरम नरम गरम.
I am ready. You are ready?
Welcome to my another log. So today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change my tires. I have RX 100. So this is my bike, RX 100 87 model. So my tire has completely worn out. It's almost flat, so I'm gonna change this tire. I'm gonna buy MRF Moto D tire for this bike.
We have so much to explore. My life can't get enough of you. There's no line to
was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
We are in Bandar right now, so we're gonna find a shop right now. So we are finding shop.
ನಮ್ಮ ಸುರು ಟ್ರಟ್ ಉನ್ಕಣ ಬಡ
always be by your side, darling. You're the best thing in my life, darling. I want some
ಬಂದರ್ಲಿ ತ್ರಾಟಲೆಲ್ಲ ಪರ್ತು ತೂಕಟ್ಟು ಬೆಚ್ಚಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗ
عليم غفار ستار حكيم شكور قدوس صبور الموت في أمن صدري.
Now I have reached mosque, so it's afternoon time, so I'm gonna pray here. So, alright. Lunch time. We're gonna have our lunch and then we are gonna come back. This is my friend Riza, so I have come along with Riza. So okay people, we are in Bandar right now. So guys, we spotted RX 135 in Bandar. So this is the owner, Mahesh. Yeah. So this is his bike. Let's go for. Alright, Mahesh. So here my friend is gonna buy some of the spares. And so this is the shop. He's gonna buy a throttle now. He's the owner of the shop. This is what Riza bought.
I have taken throttle of
throttle.
company the RMX Thailand, made from Thailand, made in Thailand. Sorry.
This is made in Thailand, as you can see here. So this is not China material. This is a quality material from Thailand. So this is a quick throttle. This is the last piece which was available in this space shop. So
ಅವ್ ನಂಗೆ ಬೇಜಾರಾಪುಣಂದು ಬಂದ್ಪನತ್ತ ಪಾಪಂಗೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ
So we have joined by Shaz Bhai. This is Shaz Yunus Bhai.
How are you, man?
Dubai return.
Duplicate finishing no korte. Yes. Ipo bidi aita.
So this is a duplicate item, guys. Don't buy this.
समझ रहे हो ना
ನಿಂಗೆ ಕಾರ್ ಕಲ್ತಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಗಿಟ್ರಾ
Car kalta.
ತಗೊಂಡು ಶೋರು
Navajeevan Traders finally came to this shop.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ हमारा मोटो जी टायर ना चलो हमारा मोटो जी क्या वो साइज वो गाड़ी
3.25 16.
यार और टीवीएस इतना वो खा लेते हैं कंपनी डिफरेंट ठीक है
Manufactured wonder.
मोटो जी इतना अच्छा तो मोटो टायर टीएस कंपनी इतना अच्छा कांड अपॉइंटमेंट
People have come to another shop. So here I'm gonna buy a tire. So this is the shop. So I have spotted Moto D tire. I searched this everywhere. This is not available anywhere. So this is Moto Grip, Moto D. The size is 3.25 16. I'm gonna buy this. Finally we have taken whatever we wanted. Few spares we didn't manage to buy here. So yeah, so almost done with today. So now we are trying this. So this is the jugaad we are doing right now. So this is Yamaha Mo-Grip Moto D. So we got it for around 2,400 rupees. So this is the jugaad we did. And there are a lot of spares. Open it. Open it. Open it. Huh? So these are the spares which we bought here. These are the spares. So I'm gonna show you in detail later on. So these are the shops. We are in Bandar right now. Okay, Shaz bhai, thanks a lot. People have finally arrived home. It was a very hectic day with a lot of traffic and all of that. It was dusty too, it was sunny and it was very tiring, man. I'm gonna show you all the spares what we have bought today. So these are all the items. I'm gonna quickly show you a closer look. So these are the headlight stay for RX as well as RX 135, RX 100 and as well as RX 135. So this we bought from Prabhat's Automobiles, that is in Mangalore, where we got a genuine part. This is original Yamaha, and then we have bought few spares. And now what is this? Our Solutions Drive. So there are a lot of small items. I don't remember their name. So these are some small items which we bought it from Prabhat. And this is chain sprocket. And these are pro taper grippers. And there is this throttle which is from Thailand. And this is an imported one which we got it from Bandar. This is actually imported one, RMX Thailand. So we got it for about 700 rupees. This is a very rare piece and isn't available anywhere. So and these are the meter assembly. So I bought it one for RX 100 and one for RX 135. This is a pro taper thing, and then this is the main stand, the lock, pin and lock, and then there is a libero switch, and this is a gripper, and yes, there are a lot of items in here. So there are a lot of small items inside this. These are some rubber kit and all of that. And then I have bought this. This is MRF Moto D tire 3.25/16. This is of SD. So I have installed SD wheel on my RX 100.